What is the thing that's stopping you? You.
Excuses sound best to the person that's making them up.
What's up, Team Mamas and Gents, and welcome back to another freaking video. So today is October 29th. Yep, 29th. Halloween is in 2 days, and I randomly decided that I wanted to get my son a costume. At first, I was going back and forth trying to debate if I wanted to get him a costume because I don't want him to get into the habit of dressing up just for us not to do it long term. However, I don't want to steal that part of his childhood, so I've come to the conclusion that I'm going to allow him to dress up, but it's going to either have to be career focused or like character focused. So nothing scary. He won't be doing haunted houses, nothing, maybe no trick-or-treating unless it's like at a nursing home or something like that. Just so that he could show off his Halloween costume. Or like if his family decides to throw like a costume party or something like that, then he'll have that. So that's what we're on our way to do today. I did try to pick up for work and they're like, oh, we're full for today. And in my mind, I'm just like, don't ask me for nothing. Okay? Don't ask me for nothing. When y'all short, don't ask me to come in, period. Like, no. But anyways, what else? That's what's on the agenda for today. I feel like there was something else. I ran into Target really quick to get me a Bloom energy drink just to pick me up. We haven't eaten at all today. I ate some popcorn this morning or this afternoon when I woke up because I did work last night. But that was about it. My nails are tea. A full set for $16, baby. Like, this looks like, you can't tell me the Chinks didn't do this, okay? You didn't tell me a nail tech did not do my nails. Like, look at this. My hands are kind of ashy, but they look so good. And then my lashes, I'm so proud of my lashes. Like, I tried lash clusters for the first time. One, the balm is so, it works. And then the sealant, I use that, and then I put the clusters on. I use 14 to 18 across my eye. I want to go a little bit shorter. I don't know, I feel like this complements my face, but it's a little dramatic, if you will. So I'm willing to go a little bit shorter so that I only have 16, or as far as 16 on the corner of my eye, and then even shorter in the inside. I have to find those though. Both were purchased on Amazon for less than 20 bucks. No, maybe less than 30 bucks, because combined it was like 26 something or whatever. So yeah, that's my update. I wanted to come back to y'all and tell y'all about that so bad, because last night I was doing my lashes while I was in the bathroom at work, and honey, it took me all of what, 20 minutes? Not even 20 minutes, like 10. And I think it might have took a little bit longer because I was on the phone. But if I wasn't on the phone, I probably would have been done like in 5 minutes. No lie. They went on with ease. Everything was easily applied, easily accessible. Like, it was just, I might not ever pay to get my lashes done again. And it made me miss doing lashes. Like, literally made me miss doing lashes so bad. So I been thinking about that so heavy. And now that we're in the city, I have more models, so I can do like different lash styles and sets and stuff to promote them. And yeah. What? Right now we're getting gas. The GPS took us to a Spirit Halloween that's not even there. Like, I don't know what they were thinking. Oh, excuse me. Getting gas, but you got gas. Anyways, I will call you guys back when we are officially at the Spirit Halloween store. Bye. I do. But if I would have took time to pull it. Look, Chloe. Look at the spider.
What do you see for spiders?
He was crying. You see the spider? Oh, dang. He would have really been scared. Okay, here we go. This is eyes right here, yeah. This is actually pretty cute. Let him watch it. I want to see him get scared. He like, what? You ain't even budge, Booty. Okay. His section right here. Look at the little ninja. A little firefighter. Oh, this is so cute. I wonder what size it is. This is so cute, y'all. The little Bam Bam one. It's too cold for that one, but it's so cute. Tell mommy which one you want. Which one?
Which one you want?
You want the dinosaur or the car?
Which one? Pick one. Pick. It's not. Say hats,
Oh, collector's box.
And the lanyard.
People probably still got the videotapes at the home.
It still has a VCR.
That's crazy though. That's kind of
Of
cool.
course, I can find a VCR. But then you have to have a TV that they work on. I'm sure it won't work on a new
Oh shoot. Say hi.
Buddy's fruits, applesauce.
Mm-hmm.
Doo-doo.
Hey.
Small fruit cup is what I give him.
Hi, Jeffrey, bud.
No, wait, what's...
Hey. Since I talked to y'all last, we have stopped at Chick-fil-A, Jollibee. Hi. I got me a chicken kale salad or kale salad with grilled chicken. Told them I'm supposed to get grilled chicken, but they gave my boy breaded chicken, which I will be reporting. And my man decided to drop. My man decided to try Jollibee's without us. So we about to eat his chicken too. Hi. Y'all, I'm super excited for his costume. What else? We got a funeral Saturday. I gotta figure out who will watch my baby. The kale salad grilled chicken nugget combo is definitely underrated. But try it with your favorite sauce from Chick-fil-A. I love Chick-fil-A sauce. And I can only imagine what it tastes like with Polynesian sauce. That probably is so good.
Hi.
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 It's probably so good. Now we still gotta go to Meijer. Like, I wish I could be able to talk to y'all and have y'all sitting on my dashboard. I did fill my Stanley before we left the house. I don't know where my man put it. Now, why would he do that? All the way up under the damn seat. And I've been drinking this all day. I need at least 2 more of these before the night is over. And I think it's 7 o'clock. Probably 1 more. If I'm being realistic. Oh! I don't think none of my shows came on tonight. I think they all come on tomorrow. So we got an eventful morning ahead of us, baby. Mommy get to watch all her shows. Are you happy? Are you gonna watch mommy shows with her? I might. I was thinking about going in late to work Friday so that I can be with my baby in his costume. But I just want pictures. I'm okay. I ain't missing out on nothing. But I also don't want that to be my new reputation. Oh, she'll work.
Baby.
Yes, baby.
Baby.
Yes, baby.
Yeah.
I love you.
Baby.
I love you.
Dada.
I'm gonna call y'all back when we get to Myers.
Dada.
Right now we're at the gardening store.
Dada.
Well, y'all know we're waiting on Dada. Is this gonna be like a permanent part of my existence now? Like these dark circles? Like, oh my goodness. Now, granted, I have been sleep deprived. Okay? And we gotta figure that out too, because the more I lose weight, the more I don't want that to interfere with me losing weight. So we're gonna have to figure that out. But I am not trying to be that deprived. Like, honey. The other day, my man, it was real bad. My man was like, that. Tell me something that's deep. I was like, you would never, sir. But they do look real tired right now. Y'all know where this come from, though? Your liver. If you're not taking care of your liver and you're not hydrated, that's where it comes from. So I'm about to keep drinking my water and minding my business. Come on, fast guy.
I have to get him in the mood because I can't get him without the face.
Come on, let's go say hi.
Come on.
You too fast.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, okay. Come on. Let's go get some candy. Come on. Hey, Bruce. I gotta go in. You got a bag? I left his bag. I gotta get
Hi, Sammy.
We'll be right back. Say hi. There she is right there. Nope, it's nothing in there. I'm gonna go in and get a bag and come back out. Come on, let's go say hi to Auntie. Nope, I'm gonna go get a bag out the house.
okay.
It's just open up there. We're gonna get you some. Come on, let's go say hi to Auntie. Yeah, sure. Why not?
Why you walking so slow, too?
This is why I pick
Come
him
on,
up when
baby.
I'm walking with her. Look, she got her dog. Look, I'm mad. Okay, look, y'all. Look at Chosy Wozy and Mommy. Chosy.
Come here.
How I zoom in? How I zoom in? Come on. Look at Chosen, y'all. Look at Chosen, everybody. Chosy Wozy man. Say happy Halloween. Say happy Halloween. See, I'm not Chosen right now. I'm Lightning McQueen. Say nyum, nyum.
He's so cute.
Thank you.
You're a little racer. Nice job.
Say thank you.
Go, baby. Come on. Let's go. Oh, look at Lightning McQueen.
You wanna go get some candy? Come on. Come on, let's go get some candy. Come on, what are you scared of? Excuse me. Here you go.
Thank
Thank you. Happy Halloween, y'all.
Watch out, baby.
Excuse me.
But we got the vlog, though. What up, vlog? What up, vlog? Hey. You ready?
You ready?
All right, come on.
Come on, bud.
I'm gonna carry you in this one.
All right.
Ready?
Look at Lightning McQueen, y'all, getting carried. He out of commission right now.
Ready?
Hold on, little guy. You gotta look both ways.
What's up, T Mamas and Gents, and welcome back to the same freaking video. So as you guys can see, my baby had a blast, okay, for Halloween. And I love that for me. I love that for his dad. One thing about it, babe, we are, like, if I do say so myself, we're killing this parenting shit. Because when I'm at work, I got the baby. If he's at work, I got the baby. When I'm at work, he's got the baby. And if he at work, I got the baby. So my baby didn't miss out on nothing. And I was still able to trick or treat with him because we took him before I went to work to one of the neighborhoods that my aunt-in-law lives in. And they started their trick-or-treating early for the kids. So I was able to participate with him and then go to work. And while I was at work, he and his father and his uncle went to a party, a Halloween party. And he had him a good old time. My baby is such a ladies' man. It's not even funny. Like, I am not ready, y'all. But I really, 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 really love that for him. I'm super excited for it. So now, today is Sunday. We are going to watch the game, put the TV on the wall, hopefully, do laundry, and hopefully just do a complete reset at the house because we really, really need it. Like, my house is so dirty right now, and I'm not exaggerating. You know how girls be trying to be all cutesy, like, oh, my house is so dirty, and it don't be dirty? No, my house is actually dirty. I got maybe a good, smooth 6 hours of sleep last night. After staying up all day the day before, getting an hour of sleep after work, and then when I told y'all when I got off of work or whatever, I took like an hour nap while my husband got his hair cut or got a lineup, which is tea, by the way. He looks so good. But after he did that, I took a small nap, which really wasn't even a nap because he acted like he can't do nothing without me. So he called me every step of the damn way. And then we got up and immediately went and got ready for their funeral. So, and that lasted all day. We were there literally from like 12 to 12. If that. Move, puppers, please. And then, so now we are Yeah, about to get our Sunday started. I think I'm gonna get me a matcha. I want something a little bit stronger though because I need some energy. For real. Like I need a little pick me up. And I'm mad that my nails broke on this hand. Like these two, and I can't find the replacements. But I need a little pick me up, so I might give me a matcha. And I want the bitterest matcha right now. I don't want nothing sweet. I don't want nothing like, no, I want the grass, earthy tasting matcha right now. What? I am. Take your 5 minutes then. Dang. Okay, let me see. I don't want nothing sweet. So, because I just feel dehydrated almost. Let me see what I can get. I got 37 points. Girl, I can't do nothing with that. Customize your drink. Whatever. Okay, let me see. Should we get food? This is my problem now. Order here. Three pumps of matcha. One pumpkin sauce.
Let's work on my guy. That's what I do. Doo-doo doggy.
Doo-doo doggy.
He's a doo-doo doggy.
Hi. But this is like not Dollar Tree because ain't shit in here $1. This is worse than like the you know how people be pissed and be like, oh, Dollar Tree ain't the same. Like this is worse because you know it's like $1.25. No, they got shit in here for $5, $10, $3. Like ashy ass knees.
Don't got nothing here for $3 though.
No, I'm just joking.
It's good old Mason jar.
We need that right there.
What?
For paper towel.
Don't.
Yes, we do.
Stand up by itself.
No, it doesn't.
We got one hanger from under
Boys.
the thing. We don't need that. We just want it. It's the biggest tub they got. She would do it for real if y'all wasn't on camera. I'm so afraid.
He swear he be afraid of me, but I'm literally afraid of him. Like, that don't even make sense. Where is the... Because he said it like a couple times.
The big bags.
No.
I have to get one because I have to get 5 of those.
5? Yeah, I wasn't talking about those little dusty ass hampers. I'm talking about they carry the bigger ones. They literally carry the bigger ones. So I need to go to the grocery store this week. Hmm? This is like one of those really expensive face mask things. Is everything in here?
They got a little handheld vacuum.
$6.
The prices on it?
Yeah, but I'm saying they said that it's like 40 to 60 to 70% off.
Oh, yeah.
Well, this is a good buy right here. Huh? Yeah, he'll slimmer. Probably. That's probably the perfect size for him. Where's it? Oh my goodness. I gotta get my couch first. But this is perfect. I might buy this, I ain't gonna lie. For $20. Y'all look. Not the Louisiana. $5 right now. This though, corner shower caddy. Alternator. Is that an alternator? I wonder if this shower caddy got all the flick pieces to it. What do you think? What do you think? This. Do you think it would have all the stuff to it?
What is it?
Shower caddy.
Or it's because I just went around in a circle.
Doesn't that look sweet? You guys, now we are doing laundry. We are about to go meet my mom though, so that she can give us a bag that I left her house. Say it again, Pootie.
40 minutes.
Now we probably can put those black clothes together, those dark clothes together in the dryer. How much money was that? $9 plus $7.
$9 plus
$8.
So $18. 9 plus 5 plus 4. We put 3 loads in, right?
4.
We put 4 loads in. Okay.
And the other one was $7.50.
What was $7.50?
The one the first one.
It was $9, ain't it?
Baby. The first one.
Oh, the one I use is $9 now. Oh.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I had to put the darks in the $9 one.
There are broken things here
Say
that can
hi.
still be fixed. That's what I'd like to talk to Cliff about.
Hey, y'all.
If you help me.
So I wanted to do an Amazon unboxing with y'all. Woody, let mommy talk. They can only see her forehead. Anyways, I'm so irritated because this damn dog keep pissing up my damn house, and I ain't even been here for a whole month yet. is really getting annoying. So I just ordered some cleaning spray and stuff for him. But that's beside the point because today's Amazon haul is not that. It is for Chosen. Get out my bag, please. Hair stuff and DJI stuff. I think I told y'all about this already, but I wanted to unbox it with y'all. I got some mic covers for it. Then I have, let me see if I can put this in here real quick. I also bought a magnetic tripod for my DJI, and I can't find it. It's in this damn house somewhere. You know, my son with his little sticky fingers. Okay. So, I'm really about to try to be in my wig influencer bag, y'all. Pray for me. But I'm really about to try to be in my wig influencer bag, okay? Let me turn this TV down so y'all can hear me. Because I'm not going to keep waking up every day saying, oh, I want to do this, and not doing it. Because, bitch, who do that? Where they do that at? And, like, I have never been the type of girl to say I'm going to keep saying I'm going to do something and don't do it. So I'm about to do it, okay? But this, the Holy Grail, if this is still what it once was, because I haven't had it in a long time. That's the only reason why I'm saying that. And I think I'm pretty sure it's tried and true to this day. But we got that, and then we got the real star of the show. Not me using my nails. I guess I'm gonna take y'all with me tomorrow. Oh, I should have did my hair tonight so I can be dressed tomorrow. And all I gotta do is just go where I gotta go. You heard that? Yeah. Oh, okay. Everything did come. Well, maybe not. A wig came, and then I got some more wax. Yo, I still got the same wax stick that I had for like years, and I mean years. Like, it moved from Kalamazoo to Battle Creek to Detroit with me. So I got me another one, but I should have got the same brand of that one. I just don't remember what the brand was, because that one's still good. Like, I literally still have it and still could use it if I wanted to. I think my little sister got it though, so I wasn't gonna have to fight with her about it. But this is the star of the show right here, honey. I went back and forth in my mind about buying this, so I really hope I made a good decision with it. So this is 24 inches. I don't want it to be too long, because I'm going for like this look that Real Mommy TV had, where it was like real bushy, real cute, just real natural looking. And that's what I'm hoping this is giving by being shorter. It don't look like it's gonna be as full, but dang, this lace is not transparent. It's white in the mud. But here she is. She kind of stinks a lot, actually. So what I think I'm about to do is, I ain't got no mousse. Dang. This is already not the curl pattern that I was hoping for. I'm not about to start complaining already, but I'm just saying. The lace ain't what I thought it was going to be. The curl pattern ain't what I thought it was going to be. I'm about to go ahead and wash it and condition it so that tomorrow when I put it on, it's all soft and ready to go. I need to pluck my knots. I think I'm going to do a whole ball cap method with this because I want to wear it for a little bit. And I plan on working out this weekend, so I think that's where we stand with this. It's alright. Oh, I should dye it jet black. Ooh. Dang, that's gonna take more time. I should dye it jet black. But alright. I guess the next time you guys will see me will be me installing it. Oh. I guess it is kind of the same one. And it's going to be calm enough to not do too much to my face because I don't need a lot of stuff on my face. Child, it's looking scraggly and raggly right now. I don't know. We're going to see. I'll call y'all back. We're officially in the game, okay? Period. I feel exclusive. I feel like I'm about to be tutorials, voiceovers, okay? Yeah. And actually, I didn't even need to buy the windbreakers or the wind screens because it was already wind screens in here. Or one that comes with it. So I just spent $12 for nothing. And I need to go ahead and get my money back because I'm about to send them back. But yeah. I'm about to hook this up so that you guys can actually hear the difference with the mic. We got a clip on here. Oh, we got the clip and everything. I'm official. Testing 1 2. Can you guys hear me? It's not hot. Hot.